God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear though the earth should change, though the mountains shake in the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam, though the mountains tremble with its tumult.
Selah.
There is a river whose streams make glad the city of God, the holy habitation of the Most High. God is in the midst of her. She shall not be moved. God will help her right early. The nations rage, the kingdoms totter. He utters his voice, the earth melts. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge.
Selah.
Come, behold the works of the Lord, how he has wrought desolations in the earth. He makes wars cease to the end of the earth. He breaks the bow and shatters the spear. He burns the chariots with fire. Be still and know that I am God. I am exalted among the nations. I am exalted in the earth. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. Selah. Psalm 46 is a powerful declaration of God's presence, protection, and sovereignty in times of trouble. It encourages unshakable trust in God, even when the world feels chaotic and uncertain. Themes and lessons. God is our refuge and strength. God is a safe haven and a source of power for his people. In times of fear, danger, or distress, we can rely on God for protection and inner strength. Fearlessness amid chaos. God's presence removes fear, even when the natural world or nations are in turmoil. Faith in God allows us to remain calm and steadfast even when everything around us is collapsing. God's presence brings peace. God dwells with his people and brings security and stability. The presence of God in our midst is our ultimate source of peace. He is always with us and will not fail. God's sovereignty over nations and nature. God has complete authority over political and natural forces. Wars and unrest are under God's control. He can end conflict and bring stillness. A call to be still and trust. Stillness reveals God's power and our dependence on him. In crisis, we are called to cease striving and recognize God's supremacy. God is always with us. God's faithful presence is repeated for emphasis. No matter the external situation, God's presence assures his people that they are never alone. Psalm 46 encourages unwavering trust in God during times of upheaval. It teaches that God is not distant. He is actively present, sovereign, and able to bring peace. The psalm invites us to stop striving, take refuge in him, and be confident that he is in control.